How's it going, Mullenites? Here with a PIC this morning. Just touching base again on what's been happening with the stock. So I did a little video yesterday talking about James Taylor being appointed the new CEO of Bollinger Motors, and initially that didn't meet the market very favorably. The stock plummeted 7%, and then it followed by another 7% today. That was despite getting a $3,500 cash credit on sales made in Massachusetts, which is kind of good news, but also expected news given the industry and the vehicles that Mullen puts out. So yeah, not very good performance from the company. Not surprising. The stock's being shorted really heavily, which isn't helping in terms of any sort of stock price recovery. I saw a comment yesterday and it actually was quite funny, but at the same time it was very true. They said they replaced the wrong CEO, and that's resonates a lot, I suppose, with Mullen Automotive Motors, because there's been a lot of I suppose positive developments around the subsidiary Bollinger Motors. They recently announced a 70 vehicle sale, which is not much but still something, and generally their developments have been pretty well received. Mullen Automotive, on the other hand, not so much. So it would have been nice to maybe see David Mitri move aside rather than Doug Bollinger. Yeah, look, it's troublesome. I don't know what to make of all this. I'm pretty glad to be out of the stock. I only got into it sort of as a bit of a speculative play, also to complement me putting out videos because people like me talking about the stock. Some people don't like me talking about the stock. They think I'm a scammer, where the real scam is actually the company. What's kind of scary now is that the stock has fallen quite a lot. We're about $1.70 or $1.72, I think, per share, and we're falling fast. And that $1 mark is actually in sight again. I didn't think, given the huge third reverse stock split they did, that would actually come about so soon. But we're looking at possibly hitting around the $1 mark again quite soon, and I think that's going to be quite scary, because we've seen what David Mitri is prepared to do to combat such positions, reverse stock splits, and they potentially can just keep doing this, especially if they get these NASDAQ warnings. So I don't know, nothing seems to be turning the stock around. It's one that many people have kind of warned about for a long time, I suppose, but a lot of people have looked at it with rose-colored lenses, myself included. I actually admittedly will say that I thought that Mullen Automotive had the possibility or the potential to do much better than they're doing now. We thought maybe these are just some short-term problems that the company's experiencing, but the toxic equity raisings, the reverse stock splits, it's all biting shareholders in the bum. I don't know, I'd never give financial advice, but it's really, don't think I'd be game to put more money into it. It's struggling. People aren't as positive about EVs in general and at the moment, and it's kind of a sign of what's been going on. The market's at an all-time high basically, and come on buddy, and Mullen Automotive just can't ride any of that momentum. They just keep going down. Anyway, I better go. This guy's losing it. Yeah, he's crying because they didn't get rid of Dave Mitri. He knows, he's upset. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. As always, share your thoughts on Mullen Automotive in the comments below. If there's any other stocks you think I should potentially talk about, I've got a couple of others that I've covered before, but people aren't as receptive to, and they're covered quite widely by other YouTubers. But yeah, share your thoughts. Anything in the comments below you want me to do, talk about, I'll see what I can do. Till next time, everyone, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.